suppose you're having z equal to f of xy is given in implicit form. Implicit form. That is what is implicit form. That means it is given something like this: f of x y z that is equal to 0. So now the question is, they want you to find this dou z by dou x. That is, suppose this is the question. Want. Oh, see, the question is, suppose z equal to f of xy is given in implicit form in this form, and there is no way to make it in that form and do the calculation. And in the question they are asking dou z by dou x. Let me just give you one example. Suppose the function is this: xyz equal to cos of xyz. So the question is, find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. How will you do that? See, अभी तक हम लोगों ने क्या किया था? If my function is in implicit form, we used to write it in terms of z of f of x y. Then we used to do. But do you see the function? Can you? Sorry, this should be x plus y plus z. Can you make it in this form? Can you separate z aside? Can you do that? By some solution, can you do that? Can you keep z term aside and x and y other side? That means my question is, from this can you make of this form? Is it possible to this for this question? Yes. What do you think? Do you understand the question? Find dou z by dou x and find dou z by dou y. So for this, I need to have z equal to f of xy, but this is my function. How can I take my z aside? Here, if I take z, then it will be cos of x plus y plus z upon xy. That is not true because here I'm having z term. So my question is, can I make my z term aside here? No, no. You may try it another way. Cos inverse here. Yeah, that is the issue. If you take cos inverse that side, then also here is z. So by any case, you cannot write the function of this form z equal to f of xy. If I could able to write this, then taking partial derivative with respect to x with respect to y was quite easy. Do you agree? Yeah, so here this is the issue. So how to do this type of question? This was there in GATE exam where they were not doing with cos. यहाँ पे log था. Then again the same condition, you cannot take z aside. Same thing. So how to do this type of question then? If you want to find dou z by dou x, or if you want to find dou z by dou y, that is question mark. Suppose even in jam exam they used to ask. So here what we will do, we'll just use simply chain rule on this function. See, this is f of x y z, that is 0, correct? Let us use chain rule. What is chain rule? This function is 0. So what is dou f by dou x multiply by dou x by dou x plus dou f by dou y? That means I am just putting gradient is 0, multiply by dou y by dou x plus dou f by dou z multiply by dou z by dou x. First of all, do you agree this is true? From this statement, can I write this? And what is this actually? This is just gradient into that dou x by dou y by. Gradient is already 0 here. That is function is 0, so dou f by dou x. And so can I write this? Yes. And what do you see? Dou x by dou x क्या होता है? That is 1. And what is dou y by dou x? in our case I want to write z equal to f of x y, no? So x and y are not related. That means y is not in terms of x. So this is 0. Do you agree? Because I want to find I want to keep z equal to in terms of x and y. That is z is dependent on x and y. X and y are independent to each other. So dou x by dou x, that is 1. Dou y by dou y, that dou y by dou x, that is 0. So here what I will be having, this will be dou f by dou x, and this is 1, plus here what will be this? This will be 0. Do you see? And this will be dou f by dou z into this is dou z by dou x as it is, since I want to find this, and that is 0. Correct? Now can you see that I can find dou z by dou x quickly? That is dou z by dou x, it will be what? ये टर्म उधर ले तो माइनस में जाएगा. दैट विल बी माइनस dou f by dou x and divide by dou f by dou z. So here you are having the thing. So similarly, if you want to find dou z by dou y, that means what? What do you want to keep? From here, can you do that? From here only you can get that. So उसमें 1 और 0 क्या रहेगा? If you want to find dou z by dou y. Or can you similarly tell me dou z by dou x का क्या है? माइनस dou f by dou x अपन dou f by dou z. So dou z by dou y क्या आएगा? It will be minus dou f by dou y divided by dou f by dz, correct? Yes, is that clear? Do you see ये कैसे निकाला हम लोगों ने? We just took the differentiation dou f by dou x with respect to we were keeping in mind that what we want to do, we want to put z equal to f of xy. This is what we want to keep it in mind. So now let us try to do the problem. That is, the function is xyz equal to cos of x plus y plus z. So let me write it like this. That is capital F of xyz, that is equal to xyz minus cos of x plus y plus z. Or suppose you don't want to this capital F, then also you can do one more thing. See, what do you want to do here? You want to find dou z by dou x, correct? This is what you want to find, differentiate with respect to dou z by dou x. Forget about anything, find dou z by dou x. Let us see what happened. And in the question they will be asking ki at some point you want to get the value at some point. So you can just quickly substitute that point and you can get that. Suppose you want to find dou z by dou x. So you have to differentiate whole thing with respect to x. So here you see that y is a constant for me. So it will be y constant, it will be dou by dou x, it will be dou by dou x of xz, correct? And here it will be dou by dou x of cos of x plus y plus z. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग दैट, जो रिजल्ट हम लोग ने डिराइव किया था वो मैं नहीं यूज कर रहा हूँ. आई एम यूजिंग दिस थिंग जो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा था. नाउ यू सी you have to use u into v rule. So y outside, if you put u into v rule तो ये क्या आएगा? ये x dou z by dou x plus z, that's it, and this is equal to here. और what is derivative with respect to cos है तो ये क्या आएगा? माइनस साइन ना, माइनस साइन x plus y plus z and multiply by so that is as it is, correct? This will be your. So if you want to find dou z at particular value, then this will be helpful. if you want to find this value at particle, so this will be what, see, x dou z by dou x, that will be minus sine x plus y plus z divided by y, and that will be minus z, and you can write divided by x also. That's how. So suppose in question if they are asking dou z by dou x at some point, say 1 1 0, suppose they are asking this thing, then you can get quickly by putting the value, that is यहाँ पे put करोगे, it will be minus sine 2, and here it will be 0, multiply तो नहीं है ना, yeah, this is subtraction, this is 0, so that is minus sine 2 आएगा, it will just minus sine 2. Okay, but suppose in the question they are asking dou z by dou x at in general, तो तुमको वही करना पड़ेगा, then you have to use the same technique, then you have to define f, that is x y z minus cos of x plus y plus z. Then what next, you have to find dou f by dou x, and what is the formula, dou z by dou x का formula is minus of dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou z, correct? And yeah, so you want dou f by dou x. What is dou f by dou x? That is yz partial derivative with respect to x only. You don't have to see anything else. So here it will be minus cos hai, so this will be plus sine. Yes. What else? Dou f by dou z. Dou f by dou z, it will be xy minus with respect to z क्या, तो ये क्या आएगा? Cos again na sine, so it will be again plus sine x plus y plus z, correct? Yes. And here also मतलब मिल तो गया था अपने को, we got that answer ना, y x dou z by dou x upon, yeah, just you need to cross multiply and you get the answer. So see, you are having dou f by dou x, dou f by dou z, these two things, dou z by dou x, just substitute it here, that is minus क्या आएगा ये, dou f by dou x, it will be yz plus sine of x plus y plus z, and upon dou f by dou z, it will be xy plus sine of x plus y plus z, correct? Yes. So this is dou z by dou x, so it is easy to find with this method, just dou z by if your function is in this form and in the question they are asking this, that is z equal to in terms of x and y, if z is in terms of f(x) and y is given in this form, and then you want to find dou z by dou x or dou z by dou y, so better to use this will be quick way to do. Dou z by dou x, it will be minus of dou f by dou x, dou f by dou z, dou z by dou y, it will be minus of dou f by dou y, dou f by dou z, that's it. Correct? Yeah. So I didn't get you. Will you just repeat what are you saying? Yes, yes, correct. Yeah, this is chain rule. This is using chain rule. Correct. Yes. Yeah. No, yeah, it is valid everywhere. See, in this case, I can make this equal to zero now. I am defining my capital F. Do you see? I'm defining my capital F this. I'm taking cos that side. So now my capital F equal to zero. I'm making my question in my original जो मुझे पता था जिसका फॉर्मूला. Do you see? This was this different function. So मैंने क्या किया ये पार्ट को इस साइड लेकर आया to make F equal to zero. To make of this form. Then we did that. Yeah. So this is quite good thing to know. That is just basic chain rule का. See, once you see the problem, then you'll see कि हाँ मतलब कैसे करें. We cannot find the value of z. Then later on you'll realize what is the issue there. One more question. Just quickly do that. Suppose z equal to f of xy, where x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, and find dou z by dou wait is that dou z by dou hmm. Find dou z by dou r and dou z by dou theta. Also prove that dou z by dou x the whole square plus dou z by dou y the whole square equal to dou z by dou r the whole square plus 1 upon r square dou z by dou theta the whole square. So this is what I want to prove here. Okay, dou z by dou x the whole square, dou z by dou y the whole square, that is equal to dou z by dou r the whole square 1 upon r square this. How will you do? First thing, suppose you want to find dou z by dou r. How will you find dou z by dou r? Z is in terms of x and y and x is in terms of r cos theta. So you can easily use chain rule. Dou z by dou r क्या आएगा? Dou z by dou x and x is in terms of r na. Dou z by dou r plus same thing dou z by dou y into dou y upon dou r. Do you agree? Chain rule. Z is in terms of x and y and x and y both are in terms of r. So I will be having two terms. Dou z by dou x by dou r, dou z by dou y by dou r. From here you can get dou z by dou r. यहाँ से dou z by dou r मिल जाएगा. Similarly dou z by dou theta. Dou z by dou theta will be what? Same thing. Dou z by dou theta, dou x and dou x by dou theta. Correct? Plus same dou z by dou y and dou y upon dou theta. So from here you got dou z by dou r, dou z by dou theta. And you can just easily substitute and see. You just find dou z by dou x. That is easy. Dou z by dou x क्या रहेगा? Or just substitute it here. You'll get that. Put everything in the same. Dou x by dou theta and dou. See, you know these things. ये पता है तुमको, ये पता है, ये पता है, and ये पता है. You just need to substitute in this. Either right hand side में put करो. You'll get it in terms of left hand side. Correct? Will you do that? Actually, I did this part. This was in unit 3. मतलब मैंने छोड़ा नहीं था. It is there in unit 3. I just now realized कि unit 3 का portion देखा तो I can find this thing. There, it was there. Okay then. So मतलब finally we have started unit 3. We had done one part actually. Once you want to find this. So maybe from next class we can start it properly. That is first. Have I started something? I don't remember. Unit